What is CRM? Explained by CRM Runner. CRM is an acronym that has been gaining much traction among business owners in the last few years. However, many are unaware what this acronym actually means, let alone how CRM can help them with their day-to-day business operations. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, which entails a systematic approach to customer interactions that yields improved business relationships. In this presentation, we will cover the ins and outs of CRM and how it can dramatically increase the positive interactions with your customers, thus providing more success for your business. It can be difficult owning and operating a business in today's digital world. Business owners are compelled to stay up to date on all of the latest developments in digital marketing and business software. And for those not incorporating a CRM software or platform, this means having multiple software and profiles with different passwords to remember. Many of these platforms also do not feature automated functionality or notifications, which could possibly allow for potential customers or other important business opportunities to go unnoticed and slip through the cracks. It is this hectic scenario of daily operations that has caused the demand for streamlined CRM platforms that can perform all of the functionalities of the most notable business applications without owners having to spread themselves too thin. That's why many CRM software companies have risen to meet this demand of business owners, and why it is becoming a successful industry in and of itself, with market value of over $58 billion. Bottom line, CRM is used to improve your interactions with your customers for the hope of growth and success of your company. How does it do this exactly? The primary focus of CRM's implementation will be on your leads and your customers, and it allows for growth in these areas by focusing on customer acquisition and customer retention, respectively. CRM makes it easy to send estimates and invoices electronically, and customers have the ease of making payments directly through the software. You can also set up automated SMS campaigns that allow you to greet and follow up with your leads and customers and keep you in constant contact with them, maintaining rapport and further nurturing your business relationships. Essentially, CRM allows your company to show your potential and current clients that their needs and wants are considered and appreciated. By streamlining the practices and processes of your business relationships, you will have the keys to successful lead generation and customer retention, seeing immediately what strategies work and which ones do not. How does CRM make this happen? All of this information is housed in one platform where you and your employees and business partners can easily share it with streamlined communication features, as well as incorporating automated workflow functionality that keeps the sales pipeline running. As one can already see, any CRM software that is valuable will provide better data organization, enhanced communication with ease of sharing information, increase lead generation and customer retention, and provide complete visibility of the entire process by drafting reports on all the numbers that are running within your business. CRM will boost your relationship not only with your customer, but your employees will be grateful to use such a platform to make their days easier as well. If you would like to learn more about how beneficial CRM can be for your business, as well as learn more about the best CRM software platform on the planet, check us out over on crmrunner.com, as we're looking forward to helping your business succeed.